What's going on, YouTube? Avery with another episode for you guys today. Cinderblock Smoker Part 2. I'm joined by a special guest, my father, Fred Watkins.
How you doing?
We're going to head to Lowe's, pick up some supplies for the smoker. Just need some more cinder blocks, some insulation materials. So we're going to go get that done and get started on the project. My dad's been smoking pigs for a little while now, so he's decided to lend his expertise to ensure that I'm successful with my project. So I appreciate that, but stay tuned. See you guys in a little bit.
Take care. Talk to you all soon. Thanks for tuning in.
All right, so we back from Lowe's and we've picked up some additional cinder blocks. We're going to expand the pit out one more block and then one more row over, just to make sure that it's large enough to kind of have the whole entire pig splayed out. So we're gonna have to bring up the levels a little bit more because, as you can see, it's not even. So just stay tuned while we finish that part of the project.
A lot of lifting.
All right, so as you guys can see, we've got some angle irons. This will help create a shelf for the cinder blocks and keep these two vents open. These are where I will shovel in the coals to fuel a fire. So I'm going to trim them down a little bit on the edges. So I'm going to trim the angle irons with this angle grinder to get them to the proper size. And then on the exterior side, I'm going to use this Great Stuff fire block to fill in any gaps to help keep and trap all the heat. All right, so as you can see, we've gotten the level of our smoker where we want it to be. We've got the angle irons on the bottom with the two chutes of where we're gonna put in the coals. And now we're gonna go get the actual expanded metal, put it on the top, cover it, cut it, and go from there.
It looks good. I think it's gonna work perfect.
So as you can see, we've got the expanded metal piece on and over the smoker itself. There is some extra on the sides. So we're just gonna trim it up a little bit. Then we're gonna put another layer of cinder blocks on the top of the expanded metal to just support it in place. And we'll be good to go. All right, so we've got the smoker done. Now we're gonna cut this metal sheet here. It's 12 feet. We're gonna cut it two lengths to two 6-foot pieces. And then that'll be what covers the pig to help radiate the heat and keep the heat in. So we found the halfway point. All I have are some basic craftsman metal shears here. Found the six foot mark, just cut straight across. Finish that side. Okay. Finished.
Oh,
good job.
Great. Good job.
We picked up 33 cinder blocks today. You guys already saw what I had before, but angle iron here, which acts as a shelf. I'll funnel all of the coals into these two chutes here, and then put up a piece of plywood over front of that to keep the heat in. You saw the 12-foot piece of metal that we cut into two 6-foot sheets. This will go over the top of the pig. Then again, all of the heat will just radiate back into the pig. The expanded metal, food grade, we cut that, trimmed it a little bit. We left some on each side just in case you want to shift it wherever if you want to make the smoker bigger. But it's a pretty simple project. Everything here came from Lowe's besides the sheet metal. Besides the expanded metal. But that's it. So soon we're gonna fire up a pig, and you guys will see how that goes.
Ready for the pig.
Thank you again for your help.
Thank you for learning. I learned a lot, and I think I'm gonna have Avery come and help me at my house.
So if you guys haven't already, please make sure to share, like, subscribe to our page. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Watkins Homesteading, and we'll see you guys later.